The inspiration for the creation of this pavilion is the latest design using wood, more precisely plywood with laser cutting. Our idea is uniqueness, in which our respect for nature is embedded. Also, we wanted to show what extraordinary and cool things can be made from simple things. Our pavilion blends modern tech like laser cutting with skilled craftsmanship, combining precision and tradition. We also utilize 3D printing for various components, ensuring a high-quality result. Each step reflects a commitment to biophilic design, creating a space that harmonizes with nature.